this video, I'm out in Mirada in San Antonio, and I'm going to take you on a tour of two brand new construction homes that are pretty much completed and ready to go. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. All right, so today I have clients that are looking for either a home with two master suites or an in-law suite, two-story home, and there are two out here ready to go. So I figured I would go ahead and come out and make a video for them, and I thought I'd bring you along with you, or yeah, with me, sorry. So yeah, let's do this. All right, so this one is the Columbus with the A elevation. It is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage, 3649 square feet. Obviously it's brand new. They're doing some finishes now. It's currently listed at $659,900. HOA fee is $46 a month, and CDD is $28.95 per year. There is not a tax bill yet, but let me pan around the neighborhood, show you what it looks like. Then we will go inside and take a look. On the other side of this van, there's gonna be a couple lots there. So, all right, let's go inside, take a look at this one. Make sure to let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, so you come up, you got a nice covered front porch. All right, so when you come in the front door, this is LVP flooring. To the right here, you have a half bath. And then to the left is going to be your 3-car garage. So water heater in the corner there, sink over there in the corner. Coming in out of the garage and straight ahead is going to be the in-law suite. So you come in, to the right you're going to have your linen closet, and then right here is going to be the bathroom. So there is a window here, and there's blinds already there, so you don't have to worry about that. You have your dual vanity, so white cabinets, your quartz countertops, and then your walk-in shower. All right, and then over here, you have a nice size walk-in closet. And then back here is gonna be like your living area. And you do have a kitchenette right here with a sink and a little fridge. And then you have your own access, the sliders here, and your own lanai here if you wanted that. And then there's a pond back there, which we'll go out in a little bit. Right, continuing on into the main area. So here is your kitchen. You have your pantry here. It is electric in this community, so you can get your quartz countertops, your white cabinets, your stainless steel appliances. The refrigerator obviously would go there. You have your tile, it's like a glass tile backsplash. And then you have your big undermount single basin sink in the island. And as you can see, there's a lot of can lights in here, and it is pre-wired right here for not chandelier, I can't even think right now, my brain's fried. pendant lights. And then this is gonna be your family room slash living room. So a nice big area here. There is power in the floor right here for some floor lamps. You have 2 sets of sliding glass doors and then a coat closet over there. We will go outside, we'll do that last because I don't want to track anything on the carpet. And then over here is going to be your dining area. And you can also access this from the back side of the stairs. And then right here, you have a flex room with French doors that can be used, as an office or whatever. You have 5 can lights in here, so there's a lot of light in here. All right, let's go upstairs, then we'll come back down. So you have your spindle here, your wrought iron spindles on the rail, the gray carpeting. All right, and when you come up to the top of the stairs, to the left right here, it's going to be bedroom number 1. And then right out of there, gigantic loft. So very nice size loft here. And lights are off on the, I know he's up here doing some touch-ups and stuff, so. All right, bedroom number 2. And there is a can light in every bedroom. All right, see, there goes the light back on. All right, we'll work over here. So here is the master. You have your French doors here. Very big bedroom. A little seating area here. You have your tray ceiling with 4 can lights, actually 5 can lights. So center one I forgot to turn on. Originally I thought it was just a wire, pre-wire for a ceiling fan. And then huge walk-in closet. And then your bathroom. So shower here. Linen closet. You do have a towel bar on the wall right there. Your double vanity. And then your toilet right there. All right. So coming out of the master right across, bathroom number 2. Well, bathroom number 2 upstairs. So double vanity, you have your tub and shower combo here. And then right here is going to be a linen closet. All right. So then back in this corner, you're gonna have bedroom number 4. And then air handler there, and then your laundry room. So you have a sink, cabinets. All right, let's go downstairs and take a look at the covered lanai. It's actually screened in as well. And then I'll show you the backyard. All right, so let's talk about, you could access the dining room. So they'd be right here. You go this way, and then there's some under stair storage as well. All right, let's go out here. So when you come out to the covered lanai, like I said, it is screened in. Nice size. You have 2 can lights there. And there's one door to go out to the backyard. All right, so nice size yard. If you want to put a pool in, there's still plenty of room to do so. And then you have your pond view right here. And then this is, I'm assuming, where the property line is because of the difference in the grass. And then that is what the back of this property looks like. And on the left, you can see that lanai over here for that in-law suite. So that's gonna do it for this property. I'll see you at the next one. So on this one, I'm gonna talk louder because they're working right across the street. As you can probably hear, exact same floor plan, layout, all that stuff, but $30,000 less. So I'm gonna go in and show you why it's $30,000 less. But this is, you know, obviously that's what's making the noise right there. But so this is a corner lot, which normally would be probably a good thing. But in this case, I don't think it is. And I don't think you're gonna like this one as much. And when I say this one, I'm talking to my clients, but people, you know, watching on YouTube, you let me know what you think too, and if you agree with me. All right, so a lot quieter now. All right, so same LVP flooring. You have your half bath here. And then over here is going to be the in-law suite. So you have your linen closet here. It's no different. Your double vanity, you do have your quartz countertops. One thing that is different is the shower. Obviously you can see this is fiberglass insert instead of the tile, and sorry about that, I dropped a piece of paper. Instead of the tile and, you know, the frame and all that stuff. And then continuing on, you have your walk-in closet. So that's no different. And then over here, I think there was only one can light in the last one too. I don't remember everything. As I'm doing these videos, it's hard to actually pay attention to what I'm looking at too. But over here, you know, there's no refrigerator, and whether or not they're gonna put one in, because as you can see, there's still drywall work to be done. I don't know if they're gonna put one in, but I doubt it. That's probably one of the differences. But I mean, you can pick those up in any home, anywhere really. All right, so across is gonna be your 3-car garage. This one does not have a sink, just has the water heater over here. And as you can see, there's not even, you know, plumbing for it. So that's one difference. But for my clients, the main difference is gonna be the backyard and the fact that you're looking at houses. And I know they don't want that. All right, so coming in, this area here, there's one light there, so it could be like a breakfast nook area. Another difference is you have granite instead of quartz. And you have the double sink instead of the single. And then over here, you only have one can light instead of those, you know, 3 million can lights in the last one. So you know, same closet. What's cool here is they put, you know, just the last one had it too, but they have an electrical outlet in there. So for whatever reason, I mean, I don't know about a coat closet having one, but like the, you know, the master closet, that would be pretty cool to have one. All right, so I'll go ahead and do it right since I'm here now. This is why my clients won't like it, but you let me know, people on YouTube watching, what you think. So you come out, there is no lanai, you just have open sky. And then obviously that's the in-law suite over there. But then your backyard, you look right at a house instead of a pond. I know there's some people that don't like water behind their house, but my clients aren't one of them. So I know if they like one of these two, it's gonna be the first one. All right, and then continuing on, you do have the same under stair storage. The last one had a light too. It just wasn't, I just didn't get it turned on. Same dining area. Another difference with that flex room / office, it is not framed out with French doors. And once again, there's only one can light instead of, I think there was 5 in the last one. All right, there is your first air handler. Second one's gonna be upstairs. You do have these spindles here, so that's the same, just a different color, you know, as far as the stain goes on the railing. All right, coming on up to the right. The one can light, which I think was the same. So all the secondary rooms are probably gonna be the same. The loft right here only has one can light as well versus the mini of the last one. So that's another difference. And obviously this layout is flipped. So you come up here and your master's on the right instead of on the left like last time. So bedroom number 2. And then your bathroom here. I believe this is the same. There's not a door here, which there was a door on the last one. Pretty sure there's a door there. And then this is gonna be the same fiberglass surround instead of actual tiles. So that's another difference there. Bedroom number 3, upstairs. This is the same, I believe. And then air handler number 2, and then another difference, the laundry room. No sink, no cabinets. So that's a difference. You have a little bit of a area here, probably throw a vacuum cleaner or something over there, kind of get it out of the way. Okay, and here is the master bedroom. You do have the French doors, but one can light instead of many. Still have the tray ceiling. Still have the, the walk-in closet. All right, so coming into the bath. I have to go back and watch the video, but I think there was a door here going into the bathroom. You have your shower here. And then your double vanity. And then your toilet over here. All right, so that's gonna do it for this one. Let me know in the comments below, do you like number 1 or number 2 better? With number 1 being $30,000 more, are the additional upgrades worth it to you? Let me know in the comments below. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next time, take care.